Namaste Bonnie ji, Namaste Palin ji.
Namaste, Sora.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Palin ji, how are you?
I'm okay. Much more better than the days before yesterday.
Okay. You got fever?
I think today not. I
Okay.
don't have this thermometer, but I think it today no.
Okay. Sit in any comfortable position. Sit straight. Keep your back leg straight in one line, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we'll chant one time after the opening mantra. Join your both palms together in front of your heart center. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vande Gururam Charanarvinde. Sandarbha Siddhasvatma Sukha Bhavote. Nishreshe Changalikayamane. Sansar hala halmoha shante. Avahu Purushakram. Shankh Chakra Siddharanam. Sahasrar Sirsham Shvetam. Pranamami Patanjalim. Om. Hatha Yoga Anushasanam. Exhale, gently pull down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. Rub your both palm, apply it on your eyes, apply it on your face, on your whole body, and gently pull down your head. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Okay. Inhale, raise your arms up towards the ceiling, elevate your spine. Move your spine right to left, left to right, make a circle, front and back. Move your spine. Move your thoracic. Now anti-clockwise. Change the direction. Interlace your fingers, turn your palms out towards the ceiling. Elevate your spine now. Exhale. Try to drop your right elbow on the right side. With your left arm, stretch yourself towards the right side. Go. Inhale, again come back to the center. Again, turn your palms out, stretch yourself, and exhale, change your side. Inhale, again back to the center. Lift your arms up. Exhale, keep your elbows straight, your fingers interlocked, and hold there. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up. Exhale, change your side. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, drop your hands behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up, look back. Inhale, again back to the center. Arms up. Exhale, drop your left palm out of your right knee and place your right arm back. Twist yourself with your thoracic, look back. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale again back to the center. Exhale, drop your right palm out of your left knee. Place your left palm behind your back. Again, turn. Roll 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, drop your hands down. Now drop your both palms by the side and come into tabletop position on your mat. Inhale, lift your chest up, look up, roll your shoulders, open your chest. Exhale, look down, take your tailbone in, lift your spine up, press with your palms properly on the mat. Make a hump, inhale again up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Once again, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, now hold there for 3 counts. Make an arch on your back. Tuck your tailbone out. Keep your hips lifting up towards the ceiling. Lift your chest 2 and 3. Exhale down. Make a hump on your back. Hold 3, 2, and 1. Inhale back to the center. Now lift your right leg up towards your head. Bend your knee and lift your chest up. Exhale down, make a hump and touch your knee on your forehead. And make a hump. Inhale again up. Exhale down. Inhale again up and hold there for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Again, hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Drop your knee down. Now change your leg. Lift your left leg up. Inhale. Exhale, make a hump. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Hold there for 3 counts. 1, keep lifting your leg up and bend your knee towards your forehead. 2 and 3. Exhale down, make a hump on your back. Again, hold for 3 counts. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your left knee also down. Now turn your palms a little bit, not much, slightly out. Bring your this first fingers parallel to each other. Okay, little bit out. Now inhale, while inhalation, you have to lean front and push your shoulder blades away. Tuck your tailbone and engage your core and lean. Keep your elbows straight. Exhale, come back. Okay, to the center. Inhale again, lean. Exhale, come back to the center. Inhale and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, keep lifting your hip up. 3, tailbone in, engage your core. 4 and 5. Exhale, come back to the center. Now turn your fingers in, wrist out. Fingers in, wrist out. No, not like this. Like this. Yeah. Now inhale, try to sit back on your feet or on your calf muscles, but without lifting your palm from the floor. Exhale, come on. Inhale again, try to sit back. Exhale, come front. Inhale, once again, try to sit back and hold there. 1, feel the stretch in your wrist. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Turn your again, palms, fingers front, and your wrist out. Now from here, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Bend your legs one by one. Shake your legs. Keep elevating your spine towards the ceiling. And now slowly walk front and stand into Samastiti for the sun salutation. We'll start with our sun salutation here of Astanga. Both feet together, legs together. Ekam, inhale, sweep your arms up for Urdhva Hastasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Tridi, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. Keep your tailbone high. 1, keep pressing your palms on the floor properly. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round. Ekam, inhale, again sweep your arms up. Urdhva Hastasana. Do we exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Tridi, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale. Two, exhale. 3, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. And hold 1. Try to touch your heels on the floor. Hips up. Keep your palms pressing and push your thoracic towards your leg. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the Urdhva Hastasana. Do exhale, Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale to the Samastiti. Fifth round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the Urdhva Hastasana. To exhale, bend forward down for Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Sun salutation B. Come, inhale, bend your knees, raise your arms up, come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll do some Chaturanga plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. So you can use your knees where you can like do not, you if you cannot like lift into Chaturanga and all, you can use your knees. Okay. So come for the plank pose, come into plank pose. Okay. So in plank pose, keep your hips and your body in one line. Okay. Do not make and this arch like this. Okay? This is wrong. This is not a plank. Okay. In this, you will not feel any engagement in your core, nothing, and you will not get the benefit from the posture. So what you have to do, you have to see, lift your hips up, and your tailbone should not be out like this. Okay? You will push your tailbone in, squeeze your hips. Okay, squeeze your hips, engage your core, and then you have to lean front with your toes and push with your palms properly, shoulders away from each other. Exhale Chaturanga. You can use your knees and make Chaturanga. Keep your both elbows inside. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Again, come for the plank. Exhale Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Third round, come for the plank. Exhale Chaturanga. Make Chaturanga properly. It's looking like Cobra pose, Paldenji. Chaturanga, bend your elbows, try to bend. Use your knees. You can drop your knees down. Take your hips up. Reduce that arch. Tuck your tailbone in. Belly up. See, if you will do like this, this is in this position, you will hurt your lower back. Okay, all the pressure will come on your lower back, and you may hurt your lower back. So if you cannot do Chaturanga with straight legs, bend your knees. See, push this like a in cat pose, cow pose. We push like this. Cat pose, we push like this. Just we have to push like this, and then just bend your elbows and lift here. It's okay if you cannot go that much deep. Just go here, but do not put your elbows like this out. This is wrong. You will not get any benefit from it. Elbows in. Okay, you will rotate your shoulder out. Elbow should be in, and now you can go this much only, but do it properly. Inhale, upward facing dog, and then downward facing dog. Yes. Fourth round, come for the plank. Exhale Chaturanga. Same with Bonnie Ji. Try to make Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Fifth and last round, come for the plank. Hold there for 3 counts. 1, yeah, very nice, very nice. Little bit hip down, little bit hip down. 2, yes, here. And 3, exhale Chaturanga. You can use and support your knees. Use your knees, but do not do this. This is wrong. Again, hip up more. 2 and 3. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. Okay, take your hips back. Do not cross your knees with your toes. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay into downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front for warrior A. Between your both palms. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump. Sorry, Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. To exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Now inhale, lift your right leg up, high in the air, right leg. Yeah, right leg, right leg, right leg. Yeah. Now bring your right knee towards your right elbow into plank position. Right knee towards your right elbow. Now hold there. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, again take your right leg back. 3 leg downward facing dog. exhale, bring your right knee towards your right elbow. Again, hold 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, take your right leg back again. High, take your right leg back. Exhale, bring your right knee towards your left elbow now, or your left armpit. Hold there, 1, 2, keep your core engaged, point your toes towards the back, 3, inhale, again, take your right leg back. Exhale, bring your right knee towards the left elbow and hold, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, take your leg back, exhale, drop your left leg down. Now without coming back, change your leg, inhale, lift your left leg, exhale, bring your left knee towards your left elbow or your armpit. Hold 1, keep pushing your hips down, 2, and 3. Inhale, again, take your left leg back, exhale for one more round, take your knee towards your left elbow, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, again, take your left leg back for 3-leg downward facing dog. Exhale, bring your left knee towards your right elbow. Hold 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, again, take your left leg back. Exhale, again, left elbow to your left knee to your right elbow. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, take your leg back. Exhale, drop your leg down. Shake your legs one by one. Now relax into child pose for a few breaths. Catch your breath here. We'll continue our series where we have left yesterday. So after Upavishta Konasana, our next pose is Supta Konasana. So come for the downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, bend your both knees, jump into Dandasana. Dandasana, sit down. Sitting position, yeah. Exhale, lay down on your back. Now bend your legs at the knee and grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Now open your legs and try to take your legs over your head, drop your both feet on the floor and open your legs wide as much as you can. Open your stretching. Yes, and try to touch your toes behind your head. Keep your leg open wide and hold there. Now from here, swing yourself and sit on your hip. Balance on your hip and keep your legs open like this. Swing while swinging, do not remove your leg and hold. Balance it, do not make an arch on your back like this. Try to pull your chest up and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now roll yourself back into Chakra Vinyasa. So it's a little bit difficult. If you don't want to try it, it's okay. You can skip it. But if you want to try, so you have to roll and then you have to come into Chaturanga like this. So it's okay. If you wanna not try it, you can skip it. You can just simply go back into Chaturanga. Oh, Bonnie is trying. Be careful with your head. Do not move your head left or right. Be careful, okay? Guys, I have turned your mic off because of the sounds are coming. That's why I cannot hear you now. Yes, it's on. It's off now. It's off again. It's off now. Bonnie. Inhale upward facing dog, come for the Chaturanga anyway, whichever you want, whichever you are comfortable with. Just come in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, again jump front and lay down, exhale, lay down on your back for Supta Padangushtasana. So in Supta Padangushtasana, what you will do, you will bend your knee, right knee, just right knee. You will bend your right knee and grab your right big toe from your first two fingers. Inhale, straight your right leg front. Keep your head down. Your trunk, upper body should be down in the mat. And your left leg should be straight. Now with exhale, try to touch your chin on your seat. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your right leg towards the right side. Take your right leg towards the right side and look left side. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale again, bring your right leg front. Exhale again, try to touch your chin on your chin. And drop your leg down. Change your leg. Bend your left leg at the knee and grab your left fingers. Inhale and exhale, try to touch your chin on your chin. Hold 1. Keep yourself there. Stretch it 2. Pull your leg down and lift your chest up towards your leg. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, drop your back on the mat again. And exhale, take your left leg towards the left side and look right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, bring your left leg back to the center. Exhale, drop your left leg down. Again, do Chakra Vinyasa, or you can skip the Chakra Vinyasa and directly come for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and jump front. And exhale, lay down on your back. Now bend your both knees and grab your both big toes from your first two fingers. Straight your legs. And again, take your both legs behind your head. Take your both legs, but now this time we'll keep your both legs together. Okay? Do not open your legs. This time, keep your both legs together. Now swing yourself. Now swing yourself like this. Okay? So you'll keep your both legs together in like halasana. From there you will swing and you will balance it on your hip. For Supta Padangushtasana, hold 1. Keep your spine straight. 2. Do not make a hump. 3, 4, and 5. Ubhya Padangushtasana, sorry. Again, exhale, roll yourself back for Chakra Vinyasa and come into Chaturanga. From here, you will roll again, go back, and then go to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now, Urdhva Mukha Paschimottanasana. Bend your both knees, again jump front. Exhale, lay down on your back. We'll always jump into sitting posture, Dandasana. Lay down on your back. Now bend your both legs and hug your legs like this. Hug your legs into Halasana position again. Do not keep your hips down. You will lift your hips also up. Your hips will be up. And again, you have to swing and balance in Urdhva Mukha Paschimottanasana. So you have to balance it like this. 1, balance on your hip. Okay, I'll do it again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, roll yourself. Roll yourself. Chakra Vinyasa. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your both knees, jump front, exhale, lay down on your back. Now we're gonna do Setu Bandhasan, bridge pose. This is different in Ashtanga. So keep your legs like this. Straight your leg, little bit, you can bend your knees, keep your legs like this, okay? For now. Yeah. Okay. Now place your both palms behind your head. Now drop your crown head on the floor. And then you have to straighten your legs and balance on your head. Be careful. If you don't feel comfortable, just don't do it. Or if you have not that much strength in your neck, for now you can use the support of the palm on your neck. Do not remove the palms. Keep your palms, lift up and put your crown head. Yeah. Do not just leave all the balance in starting on your neck, all the force. Hold there, 1. According to your capacity or comfort, you can hold 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop a hip down, relax yourself, let your blood circulation become normal. Now, next pose is Urdhva Dhanurasana. Urdhva Dhanurasana is known as wheel pose. If we'll talk in English, it's known as wheel pose, or in Hatha Chakrasana. So how we're gonna do the wheel pose? We'll bend our knee and we'll keep our both palms beside of our ears. Then inhale, try to press your palm and lift yourself up. It's okay if you cannot lift. You can first put your head down, then try to lift, press with your palms slowly, slowly. Gain that strength for lifting up. Yeah, like this. Very nice. Now walk with your fingers towards your leg. Reduce this distance between your palms and your legs. And keep pushing your thoracic out. 1, hold there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Again, second round. Inhale, again, lift your hip up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Third round. Inhale, again, lift your hip up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, deep inhale and exhale. Now sit up, sit straight. We'll do counter pose for this pose, that is Paschimottanasana. Sitting forward fold. So grab your both big toes from first 2 fingers. Inhale, lengthen your spine here. Keep your spine straight. Exhale, bend your both elbows and try to stretch yourself down for the counter pose. Do not put your head, guys. This is so wrong to do a forward bend. This position. It's okay. You cannot go down. You can just keep this spine straight and shoulders down. Keep your chest open and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press your both palms behind your back and lift your hip up for Purvottanasana. And look back. 1, look back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip Lay down on your back and relax into Shavasana and normalize your breath for a few minutes. Just feel whatever practice we have done today. Just feel it inside your body. Feel the warmness or the energy that is created by the practice we have performed, by the asana we have performed. Feel that flexibility is coming. Feel the stiffness is going out from your body. Now you feel more relaxed, more calm, more focused, and you have more energy. Just feel this silence after our practice. Join your palms together. Also, wait, turn yourself towards the right side. Press with your left palm and sit in any comfortable position you want. Join your palms together in front of your heart center. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant the closing mantra. Swasti prajabhyam paripalyantam dhyayen margen mahim mahisha Kobramanibhyo sugumastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu yogena chitasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vedikena yopakaruttam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranatoshme Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your both palms. Apply it on your eyes, apply it on your face, on your whole body, and gently bow down your head towards God. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti, everyone. So everybody is feeling fine. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. If you have any question, any doubts. Oh, your mic is off, Paldinji. Sorry, your mic is off. You can turn your mic on.
I still don't, I'm not sure if I do Chaturanga Dhanasana correct.
Yeah. Okay. For doing Chaturanga Dandasana, just try with simple push-ups for now. Right? You can come in this position. You will improve by this. Okay? And try to push your chest like this. Bend your knees. For this push-ups might be simple, but do not see. Look. Do not make this arch like this. You can see I'm making an arch on my back right now. So what you have to do, push your little bit hip inside and belly up like this. Inside, outside, inside. It means tailbone out and tailbone in. So we have to keep our tailbone inside. So our abdomen get engaged. After that, we'll push our this shoulder blades away and then we'll try to go down and we'll not keep our elbows out in. Just go this much in starting and then up. like this, and do at least 10 and in one set, and make 3 set whenever you do. Whenever you get the time, just put 3 push-ups or 10 push-ups in one set. Do it. Then again, whenever you get time, again you have to do it. Or you can do it against the wall also, like this. Just to build that strength, so you can like do chaturanga after few practices. Always and remember that do not push your elbows out like this. Keep it inside. This will be the push-up. Yeah, you will create a strength in your triceps.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Right. Okay, guys, take care. Have a nice day. And Bonnie ji, good night. Take a good sleep. Namaste.
No.